Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a tree topper. I'm going to do this out of burlap, which I've never done before, so this is going to be new. Here is the label. It's 12 inches by 10 yards, so it's a little bit longer than most tree topper deco mesh, which is a 10 by 10. Okay. Now what you want to do, and actually a trick, is just to place that on the floor and then roll it up. It's much easier to handle. So you just want to gather it, make your first loop, and as big as you want. It's going to be poofy, so it don't really matter. And sometimes you want to twist and then do your next gather, but you don't have to. On these big poofy bows, it doesn't matter as much. So I just want to keep gathering and making the loops about the same amount. As you can see, it's getting really big, especially the burlap. It's hard to hold. I'm almost to the end. Okay. And you don't have to use a whole roll, it just depends on how big you're wanting it. And actually a trick that I like is to make several smaller ones. Like this is one roll cut in half. And if you make like 2 or 3 of these and then tie them to the top all around, it will make a much fuller looking bow, and you can make sure that all the sides of the top of the tree is covered. Okay, so I'm going to use tinsel wire because it's so big. I just need to make sure I'm wrapping that around the middle. And then I'm going to pull it as tight as I can. You always want to pull tight when you're making a bow. Okay. And then you just want to pull all these like so. So it's making it really full and pretty. Oh, look at that.